If you've been thinking about fixing your hairline or restoring a bald spot, you've probably seen the ads. 3,000 grafts in Turkey for only $1,500. But is it really that cheap? What's actually included? And what should you watch out for? In today's video, we're breaking down the real cost of getting a hair transplant in Turkey, from clinic quotes to hotel stays and even the extras they don't always tell you about. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I help you explore global healthcare with honest insights and real numbers. Hit subscribe and let's look at how much you'll really pay for a hair transplant in Turkey. 1. What influences the price of a hair transplant? There's no one-size-fits-all price. The total cost depends on number of grafts, 1,500 versus 4,000 or more. Technique used, FUE-DHI Sapphire. Clinic location, Istanbul is often pricier than Izmir or Ankara. Doctor's experience, well-known surgeons mean higher price. What's included in the package? Whether a technician or surgeon performs the operation. So let's start with the average pricing ranges. 2. Price ranges as of 2025.
Grafts fue technique DHI technique Sapphire fue 1.500, 2.000, 1.000, 1.400 USD, 1.200, 1.600 USD, 1.300, 1.700 USD, 2.500, 3.000, 1.400, 2.000 USD, 1.600, 2.200 USD, 1.700, 2.300 USD, 3.500, 4.500, 1.900, 2.600 USD, 2.200, 3.000 USD, 2.300, 3.200 USD.
Pro tip: some clinics advertise unlimited grafts. This usually means around 3,500 to 4,000 depending on your donor area. 3. What's usually included in a hair transplant package? Most reputable Turkish clinics offer all-inclusive packages like airport pickup and drop-off, hotel stay 3 to 4 nights in a 4-star or boutique hotel, consultation with a doctor, blood test, local anesthesia, surgery day with snacks or lunch, post-op medications, first hair wash at clinic, aftercare kit, shampoo, lotion, hat, WhatsApp follow-up. Some even help book flights but not cover cost. Always ask, is the hotel private or shared? Is the surgery done by a doctor or technician? How many patients do you take per day? 4. Breakdown of hidden or extra costs. Let's say your package says 3,000 grafts for $1,800. Here's what might not be included. Deposit: many ask for $200 to $300 upfront deducted from final price. Visa fee if applicable for your country. Cash payment discount, often cheaper than card. Extra nights at hotel, if you arrive earlier or delay your flight. Additional meds, if you have allergies or need more pain relief. PRP therapy, sometimes offered as an upsell, $100 to $200. Extra shampoo or lotion, if you want a 30-day supply. Flight, never included plan, $150 to $600 depending on origin. Translation help, usually free but premium services cost more. Add around 15% buffer to your budget to be safe. 5. Example: real cost for a 3,000 graft FUE in Istanbul. Item cost USD.
Hair transplant fue 3.000 grafts 1.800.
3 nights hotel included 0. Transfers included 0. Aftercare kit included. Medications included. PRP add-on optional, $150. Extra shampoo 1 month supply, $40. Food and taxi during stay, $100. Flight UK to Istanbul, $250. Total around $2,340. Still far cheaper than UK or US clinics, which can cost $6,000 to $12,000 for the same amount of grafts. 6. Clinics by budget tier. Economy clinics, $1,000 to $1,400. Often in outer districts. Technicians do most of the work. 5 or more patients per day. Basic hotel. Mid-range clinics, $1,500 to $2,200. Surgeon consultation. Technician and doctor collaboration. Better hotel. More one-on-one aftercare. Premium clinics, $2,300 to $3,500. Surgeon does entire operation. Fewer patients per day, 2 to 3 max. High-end hotel and concierge service. Extra PRP laser or vitamin therapy included. Lifetime graft guarantee sometimes offered. Not all cheap clinics are bad, but research who is doing what. 7. What about monthly payment or financing? In Turkey, most clinics do not offer financing to international patients. You're expected to pay in cash USD, Euro, GBP, sometimes cheaper. With credit card may add 5 to 10% fee. However, some UK agencies or US brokers work with Turkish clinics and offer monthly payments at a higher total price. Tip budget in advance and pay on site. It's cheaper and avoids conversion fees. 8. What patients say about the value. Jason, 35, London. I paid £1,600 for 3,500 grafts. I stayed in a hotel with a rooftop view and the team washed my hair every day. Same result would have cost £9,000 at home. Amar, 42, Toronto. I chose a premium clinic. $2,700 with Sapphire FUE. Surgeon did the full job. No pain, perfect density. Worth every dollar. Leo, 29, Miami. My clinic was $1,400. It was good, but I wish I paid more for a better hotel and follow-up. Still, the hair is growing well at month 8. Bottom line, you get what you pay for, but you still save massively. 9. What if I see a $900 offer? Is that real? Could be, but beware of clinics without named doctors. High-volume operations, 10 or more per day. No aftercare support. Generic hotel or shared rooms. Unlimited grafts promises without scalp assessment. Stock photos, no real before or after gallery. Rule of thumb, if it looks too good to be true and comes with 0 credentials, it probably is. 10. Why it's still the best value in the world. Despite the price variation, Turkey remains the global leader for hair transplants because high volume means skilled teams. Competitive market means innovation. Currency advantage means global affordability. Tourism support means smooth experience. English-speaking coordinators mean easy communication. Full packages mean less stress. You're not just saving money, you're getting world-class care for a fraction of the price. Final thoughts. Hair transplants in Turkey aren't just affordable. They're an entire industry built around your success. Just make sure you know what's included. Understand the technique and graft count. Choose your clinic based on quality, not just price. Budget realistically. Give yourself time to heal. If you want my hair transplant budget planner with cost templates, clinic comparison, and must-ask questions, comment graft guide below, and I'll send it to you. If this video helped you see beyond the price tags, give it a like, share it with someone considering hair restoration, and don't forget to subscribe. Because next up is medical tourism to Turkey worth the risk? We'll talk about safety myths and how to do it right. Until then, budget smart, choose well, and wear that new hairline proudly.